plan to keep your promise? And if not, how do you explain that to the American people?
Oh,
and President Calderon, sorry if I may, would you like to see this ban reinstated, and have you raised that today with President Obama? Thank you.
Less than a year later, in December of in December of '08, our work under contract was not necessary to volume that would allow us to start up in 2009.
Are there any plans to help small businesses ride out the storm?
I'm sorry, can you repeat? I missed just part of it. Some of the finest governors in the country are here. Let me take them in order of good looks. Sorry, Arnold. Please have a seat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead. So I think that the basic idea should be that in this country, if you want health care, you should be able to get affordable health care. That young lady is standing up right there. No, I'm sorry. I know you're excited, but I was pointing at her right there.
Know if this is also correct, but I understand that a federal health board will sit in judgment of medical procedures and protocols to impose guidelines on all providers when to withhold certain types of care. Like, what is the point you get to when we say, I'm sorry that this cannot happen? And
what with this reform would happen with his Medicare coverage, or Medicaid coverage, sorry.
First of all, I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting. I have all these things I've got to do as president. Sorry, Lou, but they really don't mind that.
We are sorry about Bradford Shoulder.
Sorry, I'm getting old, so there you go.
Well, I'm sorry that I could not stand there today with so many friends.
In the meantime, we've got to be able to take the steps that are in our grasp right now, like, for example, energy efficiency, something I emphasized last week. All right? Helene Cooper. I'm sorry.